Hey everybody, Puzzle Max here, and this is the mf8 Quantum Cube V2, and the issue a lot of people were having with the edge swap parity, I think I may have a fix. I don't know if this is the exact parity that people were having, but on my situation here, I've got edge in a corner swapped with edge in a corner. Now this is still solvable, but if I solve this top white face, the center won't be oriented correctly. It'll be off by 90 degrees. And because there's no way to rotate a single center 90 degrees, that's an impossible case. I have my cheat sheet diagram here that shows all of the orientations the faces are supposed to be in. So everything is correctly oriented relative to this red face as my guide face. So I think I have a solution here for this setup in particular. So I'm going to bring these two edges up to the red face so that I have this entire face functional in 45-degree turns, as well as the down face functional in 45-degree turns. So this is going to use the unbandaging algorithm from the Sun Cube. So I'm going to do that once from this position. So right, U plus, right, down minus, right, U plus, right, U minus, right, U minus, D, right. Intuition here tells to fix these corners. I'm not worried about that right now. So the next step is to do a U-turn. Now I'm going to do another unbandaging alg that's going to move this green and white back to here, and these two are going to swap down to here. So right, U plus, right, D minus, right, U plus, right, U minus, right, U minus, D, right. Now we're going to do up inverse, and I'm going to do that unbandaging algorithm again. So right, U plus, right, D minus, right, U plus, right, U minus, D, right. Nope, sorry. Right, U minus, D, right. From there, I'm going to do another U-turn, and I'm going to do the unbandaging algorithm one more time. So right, U plus, right, D minus, right, U plus, right, U minus, right, U minus, D, right. And then from here, I'm going to move, I want to do an up inverse. And then I'm going to move this section over to here. Sorry, I'm trying to keep my notes straight here as well. So up inverse, right. Okay, so now I'm going to go just right, up, right inverse. It's going to put those side by side. I'm going to do that unbandaging algorithm one more time. So right, U plus, right, D minus, right, U plus, right, U minus, right, U minus, D, right. And then it's right, up inverse, right inverse, and then up, which is kind of irrelevant at this point, but whatever. And then I'm going to place these edges back where they belong. Actually, I'm going to undo that up. So ignore that up that I did there first. Then I'm going to place these back where they belong. And now, this white face, if you remember correctly, previously had these edge pairs. It had this edge and this corner swapped with this edge and this corner. Now, I think if I go back here and do just some regular puzzle stuff, now I know that this needs to be this way. That blue is lined up. I can do a soon algorithm here. Now my white is facing the right direction. I have all of my edges in place, and I can make all of my corners in place as well. And now all of my centers are correct, and I've got those edges in place. So no need to swap edges and corners. in order to fix the center. I hope that's some level of help.